hold it way up high so you can see it.
Okay.
Sam and cat. Matt and cat. Sam and Matt and cat. Cat sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam.
Good girl. Do it again. You got it.
Sad. What are they sad?
I don't know.
Sam. And sad. And Matt.
Sad Sam, sad Matt. All right. What happens the next page say?
No. Tartar sauce.
Oh, you're almost done.
Sam. Sat. Matt. Sat.
Good. Just say the letters. Don't sound out those letters. What do those letters say?
This one?
Yep.
Don't
know the sounds. Just what is that letter?
K.
And then what's the one?
And O.
So it says okay.
O. Okay. Well, do it.
Let's see. What? Okay. What's his name? Okay.
Sam.
Okay.
And okay. And Matt.
Good. And the last part says
Is it okay?
okay and okay.
Okay. And cat.
Good. And what does the last page say? THE says.
And the.
And then so it says the.
And
Look at Mommy! You read your first book. Look at turn around.